Welcome back here with us on Times Now. We have some big breaking news coming in at this point in time. We have got reports of a passenger plane crashing at Ahmedabad Airport in Gujarat. That's the latest piece of information coming in, and those are the first set of visuals that we have access for you. The initial information that we have for you, this is the news just breaking in. Plane crash reported at Ahmedabad Airport, and that is the latest update. And there you can see visuals of smoke, and these are the first set of visuals coming in of this news that we are breaking for you from Ahmedabad Airport in Gujarat. We are getting initial reports of a plane crash, and we will be getting you more details on this particular story that we are just getting for you right now. There has been a plane crash. We are getting to know that it was a passenger plane that crashed at Ahmedabad Airport. My colleague Hiten is joining us on the broadcast for more on this. Hiten, what more details can you share with us? Hiten, can you hear me? क्या आप मुझे सुन पा रहे हैं, Hiten? Okay, we will try and reconnect with my colleague who is getting us this piece of information. Viewers, those of you just joining us, we are getting reports of a plane crash at Ahmedabad Airport in Gujarat, and those are the first set of visuals that we are getting for you. We are getting to know that it was a passenger plane. This crash has taken place in Meghani area is what the initial piece of information that we have got for you. And in Gujarat at Ahmedabad Airport, there are reports of a plane crash coming in. So far, we do not have any information as to about the number of passengers who were on board right now. What we can tell you is what we are seeing right now, the first set of visuals that we have got for you. A plane has reportedly crashed at Ahmedabad Airport. We will be going across to my colleague Hiten to get you more details on this. This is the news that has just come in at Ahmedabad Airport. There has been a plane crash. There are three firefighting vehicles that we can say that are currently present at the location, and now this is a tragedy that is being reported from Ahmedabad Airport. As of now, there aren't a lot of details about how many passengers were there in this particular aircraft. What we are getting for you right now is that a plane has reportedly crashed near Ahmedabad Airport. It was a passenger plane is what we have learnt. This is what the initial report is suggesting. It's an air mishap that we are talking about that has been reported from Ahmedabad. 3 fire brigades are at the spot right now. That is what we can tell you. And this crash has taken place very close to the Ahmedabad Airport in Meghani area. That's the initial piece of information that we have got for you. And you can see the visuals where a thick cloud of smoke can be seen. Arunil, my colleague, is now joining us on the phone line for more. Arunil, what more details can you share with us? Okay, we will quickly try and reconnect with Arunil and get you more details. But let's tell our viewers, this is the news that has just come, viewers. We are getting visuals of thick smoke emanating from, some buildings. Now, this is from a plane crash that has reportedly taken place near Ahmedabad Airport in Gujarat. That's the initial piece of information that we are getting for you right now. And it was a passenger plane. This is what reports are suggesting. It is a developing story, viewers. We are waiting to get more details on what exactly happened, but what we can tell you for now is that there are 3 fire brigades, 3 firefighting vehicles that are currently present at the spot right now. These are the first set of visuals that we have for you from Ahmedabad Airport. The only piece of information that we have right now is that it was a passenger plane. More details are awaited. Fire brigade can be seen at the spot where this crash reportedly took place, and initial piece of information that we are getting is that perhaps it's yet to be confirmed, viewers, perhaps this mishap took place at the time of takeoff. We cannot confirm this for you right now. We are still waiting for more details, but this is what the reports are suggesting right now. The plane mishap, air mishap that we are talking about, it has happened near Ahmedabad Airport. Dark plume of smoke is something that we can see, thick cloud of smoke behind some buildings is what we can see, and these are the two set of visuals that we have got for you. On one side of the screen you can see thick thick smoke, thick cloud of smoke emanating from behind some buildings, and the other picture that you can see right now is the spot very close to the Ahmedabad airport. Arunil, my colleague, is now joining us on the broadcast more on this. Arunil, what more details can you share with us?
Well, this is just near Ahmedabad airport. Preliminary information that we are gathering till now, basically, Hina. A plane crash being reported, passenger plane. This is what we are understanding. We are trying to find out more about this. This is near the Ahmedabad airport area. It is an open site where the plane basically has crashed. You can see the black smoke also that has been emerging from this Meghni area in Ahmedabad. Very critical information that we are getting now. We'll try to gather more information about this, that what exactly transpired, which airline company's plane was this, how it happened, whether there are any unfortunate lives that have been lost as well. That information also we'll try to gather from our sources, Hina.
But these are dramatic visuals, Arunil, that we are getting for our viewers. If you could help us understand, talk to us a little bit more about what we have so far. So what we are getting to know, Arunil, as per reports, that it was an Air India plane. There were about 100 passengers inside the plane. Viewers, these are unconfirmed details that we are getting for you right now. We're still waiting for an official confirmation on what exactly has happened. But Arunil, reports suggesting that it was an Air India plane with about 100 odd passengers on board.
Well, this is a preliminary information we are gathering, Hina. It will be early to name any airline company as well. Basically, yes, it is the information that we are gathering is that it was an Air India plane with around 100 passengers on board, 133 passengers on board, and near Ahmedabad airport in Meghni area. This basically crash has taken place. Extremely serious situation, very critical in fact. What is the condition of these passengers who were on board? What is the condition of the crew members, how this basically crash has taken place, what went wrong in this particular Air India flight. All information we'll try to gather basically, Hina. At present, Hiten has been putting out information related to this, that it was an Air India plane that has crashed in Meghni area near the Ahmedabad airport. Around 133 passengers were on board. What is their situation now? We are still awaiting details on that.
Arunil, we have more details coming in that Hiten has put out for our viewers, and of course official confirmation is what we are waiting for right now. But viewers, we can tell you right now that it was reportedly an Air India plane that crashed near Ahmedabad airport just before takeoff is what we have learned so far. There were about 133 passengers that were reportedly on board. 133 passengers, viewers, is what we are getting to know right now. But again, I'm just repeating here that this is a developing story. This is the initial bit of information that we have got for you. We're still waiting for the official word from the authorities here, from the the Ministry of Civil Aviation and Air India, and of course from the airport authorities as well. There were